much of a difference does it make if there are women board members in the company? Does it really make a difference? Does the difference percolate down to the way the company runs and its policies? Aruna, would you like to make a comment on that?
I think when you look at a board, you're looking for diversity of thought, of experience, okay? And certainly having a woman on board certainly helps that piece. I'm not saying, at the end of the day, again, it's about the quality of experience and leadership that the person has as opposed to just being a woman. So, I mean, I don't want to get into those kind of issues, but I think they do bring in a slightly different perspective. And that always helps. Whether it translates directly into policy change or not is a different question. It depends on what are the questions they ask, to what extent they challenge the board, and so on. But if you get a really strong, experienced person, and here I would say male or female, I mean, it's irrelevant at some point of time. Sure. But as long as they challenge the board, okay, and it's not just passing the resolutions and doing that, but really questioning on the strategy, questioning on the direction, understanding the market and saying, why isn't the organization doing this? And then I think that's what you're really looking for in the person.
So women also tend to get more confident about asking difficult questions once they are on the board?
I just have one thing to add there,
yeah.
Okay? When you say about asking confident questions, I think today many organizations do not allow their employees or senior people to be on the board of another company. I think it's somehow seen as you're not spending enough time with our own organization. Why do you do that? I've heard this from many organizations. When I ask them saying, why aren't you on a board? They said, no, our company doesn't allow us to be on one. So I think there needs to be some recognition that when you're a board member, you're not only giving to the company, challenge the company, but in turn you're also learning from the other company. And there is a lot of value that you can bring back to your own. So I think there's also that that needs to change in terms of how organizations look at their own people being on boards. I don't know if anybody else has that experience, but I know several companies which don't allow it.